Hello everyone, my name is Samriddhi Unyal and I was a student at BRDS. I secured an All India rank of 13 in my NID BRS examinations. Experience of not just preparing but learning with BRDS has been amazing. I am genuinely thankful to BRDS for not just providing me the perfect guidance to crack the exam and secure a rank, but also to help me improve as an artist and as a designer with the help of the commendable faculties that teach there. They come from institutions like NIDs and IITs and NIFTs, which is very helpful for us to prepare. I was very clear about my career, so I joined BRDS when I was in 11th and I opted for the foundation course, and which helped me strengthen my basics. And then the second year I opted for the advanced course, which helped me brush up those skills. So I think it was very necessary for me to opt for the foundation course because that is what helped me to improve as an artist, and not this is not just about the exam, this is about me as well. Like, I learned so much from BRDS that in the foundation year itself. Moreover, whenever I had any sort of doubts, they would be cleared within few days because it was always available for us to opt for the extra classes, or we could even stay if we want to and attend more classes. So it was like, if I had a doubt, I could just clear it right away and I wouldn't have to wait to clear it. Teachers at BRDS are so sweet. They would always help us with any sort of information we need about any other college or even private colleges, and they would provide us with information about extra classes or when which faculty would be available, and what they would say about us. We would also get our personal opinions from the teacher so that we can work on them later and improve. Also, the counselors would always be there to help, like with any sort of thing. They would be available throughout the day and we could call them for any sort of doubts, and they were so friendly. Even the teachers were really friendly, so it was amazing for us and we were very comfortable in taking help from them. All the faculties were very considerate about each and every child. So if someone is weak at math, even the math tutors would be so sweet to just repeat the question as many times as possible for him or her to understand. And personally, I wasn't that good with maths, so I would really appreciate the maths tutors as well, who helped me brush up my skill. Each and every minute skill that would be needed for us to crack the exam was taught to us beforehand. For example, we used to have books about quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, English, and figures and shapes and all sort of things that would come in the GAT part. And for the GAT part, we had faculties ranging from every design field. For example, if someone knows that he or she wants to be an animator, there would be a faculty from the animation department from NID or IIT. So we could always consult them about our further future as well. Also, every year BRDS holds an exhibition, and I also participated in the exhibition twice, and the faculties would just guide us to make the product that we would want. For example, if someone wants to go to fashion, the faculties would guide her to make the sketch till the final product, that is the dress, and the dress would be displayed on a mannequin. So it would just boost our confidence so much. And the product design department, they would make the product out of scratch. Like, first they would make the sketch and the faculties would guide them that what material they could use, and they would then make the final product, and then the judges would judge it and we would get the prize on the stage. So it was a really good experience for us as well. And yeah, it really helped us. I really think that joining BRDS was one of the best decisions of my life, since I made so many friends that will last a lifetime, and I met so many great designers in the form of teachers that provided me with their knowledge. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you, BRDS.